share the same cake. My brother Museveni was invited but doesn't sit at the table. Where to? So thank you. You can sit down because I saw you have been seated for a very long time. And for me, this is a friendly meeting.
Uganda. Kada do committee nutia wote yo bereme beri cho hereme tie kokop. Daka ye kere jamo kere dushi manu beri jamme. Ame wana moho kan. Okay, let's stand attentive as we sing the Zamwe God.
Twala kwa yo pe honorable minister wa kere and peace wa this RDC tell me we be walk it a bear make it a carpenting go about it win kwatwa road.
Mati ya Dilang sub-county.
In a Dilang sub-county.
Gago district.
In Agago district.
Yeah, your minister kin me bini yakinawa.
I'm happy for your coming.
Wajuli mi achelo.
We will.
I think the MPs, each one should have all these ideas.
Of this sub-county, then we shall have the LC5 chairperson for both abim and otuke. That is the RDC. One will speak on behalf of all the RDCs of the strong way forward. And finally, adjournment. So, manu agenda maybe nukonyo wakan. Then, Lego mechako chokere. No pero que you take in thy heart, united free, but together we'll all. And the religious leader who is here to come and pray for us. Cara Juju, all back him up for everybody. Moderating program can. Yeah, I'll be the Georgia Budun. Men and many times to my bed. You'll get attend to different. What do you do, young Lemo? What do you do, young? Yeah, we need more. Going to the third item that is introduction. I'm going to new job. I will take the trial maybe. I may take the card. Let me also introduce a few religious leaders who are Jamwe Tito Bang. Okay. For you, leadership first, they will be introduced at some point. As these people make presentations. To give in any uniform. More man. And I may pay a uniform. No, I do pay you our security personnel who are here. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, person on the beach, make this way. Where I think I just get it. May alone here, my Nancy one, Mariani.
Oh, Minister wa, maybe no win you cover wa, the court me pay ho, me lobo, me want to name a pekara like. May I be, I'll take it about there. Ana Jolo Pasukan. Come peki wa me lobo ni, me joti alaro. Iario paradek. Attack. Jolo Pampete. Bien, en a tu beri chawani. Udoi wa tikere goro. Ame dongo kwani lobo giarik beri yekan. Petie. Lakan na wana beri yeni. Uberu lobo. Ame Allah. Yono riang wa ye pulpe. So wana tikere peha duong. Ateka. Ikare. Amita ko binyi minister ni. Minister ni adek ena dongo biro. Ko biro. Wana beri kutan. Anyway, we are going to go down. One of them put the wine look, that back. You put the phone here. tedero na tikiri changa dit. Kula wako, kwa wako tukiri yepetie. Mwe tika, ero kiri ya mwe ni tunda na jana menu itiere. Museveni tika ke
UPDFT, or you'll be aware. Minister for you, Bino. I thought what I'm eating meal tedero, make Antina Goya, your doctor for a deck. Your name very convert you at the job. Dr. Manu Ginaka for Petier. Long at a location, Uno Tella, when you are going up in one. Or the leave that you took a district.
Yeah, my next year, I didn't hear any to check it. Yeah, before you are the chairman, I think you got something. You know, bear. A boy will be no. Lutina like Unica about a year. Cooking your tea very a big mere. I'm the first person to come for this dispute. And the dispute itself started from somewhere there, around one kilometer from here. So when we started from there, most of these people in 70s, there, it was already there. That's when our people evacuated this place due to insecurity. Now when we were there, we started very end up from there. But unfortunately, we did not come out with the solution. So it has escalated, reaching this side where we are. That is when we approached the district. On approaching the district, when the minister came, we went and sat fighting for the boundary where we can stop our leadership, as the chairman everyone was telling you. But for the land, I know on the other side of land. So when the minister came, the GPS took us there. So from abim took all this land you are seeing where we are. Now all this land you are seeing is no longer in the hand of what? Of our people of Otuke. But all this land occupied by half them there. But only unfortunately, we were not knowing the boundary. That is why now the other chairman, one, was complaining that he was the one supposed to work to address you here or to receive you here. But now, even I know my fellow chairman is supposed to work to receive you here. I know that one will happen. But today I'm happy that you are here. The GPS will take us. And the GPS will lead us. But I'm still praying that with your wise leadership, you know, that's what I know very well. Because that mango you are seeing is a sign of it. We have homestead, all whatever, the stones which was used for building, all of them are there. We have them there. So that's what I know very well about this land. So today I'm praying at least do something so that our people come back with relations. So, mwaka na abim kerutuwe. Ana mitako gini kanale. Eto wundo ibini kana mejo abim. Eto kana metarie mojo tuwe kwa igo. Ilo moge kan. Ani tung chakado lao ti tung ya rombiru lo ira tung. No. That is not the issue. Lai tungi joloi abim. Peo lao borra. Abuori ya bimta
panga no ber wo bio wa panga no ulo kede wan pod waro ngatoro eto pod ma de ko be jo ko pateni mena ne kuch isai mo gwere wano tikere jo baro pobo amo bere jo abuo in tikere ku ina. Thank you very much.
Tatia community kwene yo tuhe dongo bedo kede elsi sarioni achel me bim achel me tuhe me giki mere ame wano proposing wano bedo consulting kare chel kede RDC me abim obedo you are don't take go ame obedo gini kwene ilobo ni you are me o proposing otiyo me ni wan duchi kano moku ni winyi mo
Take.
obapting wa po honorable minister oya malu